Hello everyone, I'm Ovi, your virtual chef. Today we are going to prepare delicious garlic shrimp, a simple dish but full of flavor. But first, let's learn a bit about its origins. Garlic shrimp has its roots in Spanish cuisine, specifically in the Mediterranean region, where fresh and high-quality ingredients are essential. This dish was born as a way to enjoy freshly caught shrimp, combined with the unmistakable flavor of golden garlic and olive oil, both indispensable in Spanish gastronomy. Although its exact history is not fully documented, garlic shrimp is known to have originated in Madrid, where it became a classic of Madrid's gastronomy. Over time, this dish gained fame throughout the country, standing out in bars and taverns as a perfect accompaniment to traditional tapas. Its simplicity and explosion of aromas make it a tribute to the culinary richness of Spain. To prepare a good portion of garlic shrimp as a tapa, you'll need approximately 15 medium-sized fresh shrimp. Additionally, you'll need a generous amount of fresh garlic, which will bring its characteristic aroma and flavor to the dish. High-quality extra virgin olive oil is essential, as it's a cornerstone of Spanish gastronomy. Salt is added to taste, and for those who enjoy a bit of spice, 2 cayenne peppers can be included, although those who prefer a stronger kick can add more. To clean the shrimp, begin by carefully removing the head. Next, remove the legs and peel off the shell, leaving the tail intact for a more elegant presentation, if desired. Using a small knife, make a fine incision along the back of the shrimp to remove the intestine, which is a very thin black thread containing sand and can give a bitter taste. This step is essential to ensure optimal texture and flavor. We repeat this process with all the shrimp until they are perfectly clean and ready to cook. Next, we rinse the shrimp under cold water to remove any remaining traces of sand. This step ensures they are completely clean and ready to be used in the recipe. In a frying pan, we add a generous amount of extra virgin olive oil, enough to ensure the shrimp are well coated with its flavor. We repeat this step in a separate casserole dish. Then, we add a generous amount of fresh garlic, thinly sliced, to both the frying pan and the casserole dish. This is a crucial step, as the golden garlic will serve as the aromatic base, giving the dish its unmistakable touch. When the garlic starts to float in the hot oil, kept at high heat, we add the shrimp shells that we had previously removed. Immediately after, we incorporate salt to taste and 2 cayenne peppers or chili peppers, depending on preferred level of spiciness. This step allows the shells to release their flavor into the oil while blending with the spicy touch and the aroma of the garlic, creating a base full of character for the dish. We carefully mix with a spatula while pressing the shells and other ingredients to extract all their flavor. This process helps release the juices and essential oils in the shells, creating a dense, flavorful oil that will serve as the perfect base for our garlic shrimp. Afterward, we leave the casserole on low heat to allow the flavors to concentrate and the oil to gain even more intensity. Meanwhile, in the pan with olive oil over high heat, as it begins to bubble, we add the peeled shrimp. Next, we season with salt to taste and add 2 cayenne peppers or more, depending on how much spice we desire. We stir well to combine and mix all the ingredients, ensuring that the shrimp absorb all the flavor from the spiced oil. When the shrimp start to change color in the pan, we flip them over to ensure they cook evenly on both sides. It's important to monitor the cooking time, which should be a maximum of 2 to 3 minutes. Cooking them longer may cause them to lose their juiciness and become dry, whereas adhering to this time will result in perfectly juicy and flavorful shrimp. Then, using a strainer, we pour the contents of the casserole into a bowl, separating the flavored oil from the shells and solids. This oil will be key to the dish. We pour the flavored oil we've obtained over shrimp in the pan. This step allows the shrimp to absorb even more of the garlic, cayenne, and shell flavors, enhancing their juiciness and aroma. Voila! With a final touch of freshly chopped parsley, the dish is ready to enjoy. Bon appetit, and indulge in these delicious garlic shrimp, bursting with flavor and Spanish tradition. Subscribe and turn on notifications to stay up to date. Until the next dish,